Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're doing a TRD Pro grill. This is sent to us by Lexland. So we'll drop a link to the grill in the description below, and then we'll have a discount code. So if you want to grab yourself one of these, go click on that link and use the discount code and get yourself one of these Pro grills. Anyway, we'll get into installing this. So this is kind of what we're going for here. So this is the actual OEM grill. This is from a Trail Hunter, so the letters are bronze. But this is Andy's truck. He's here helping. Since he installed his, I figured he could help me install mine. But that's kind of what we're going for. So this is a little bit different. Like I said, his is the OEM. This one comes kind of like a Build-A-Bear type situation. Have to put the letters and stuff in it. So this is the grill. So it'll say Toyota right there. It's gonna have a light bar right here. My camera is gonna go right there. And then it's got like the Baja lights in it. So we'll get this put together. So we got to tear the front bumper and grill off. We're going to start with this dude, that dude, that guy, and some bolts. And then there's some clips. You got to undo the fenders. So we'll get this bumper ripped off, and then you disconnect your grill shutters and take the grill part out. So we'll do that. All right, that was a little bit of a process, but got the bumper off. So that's what you're left with. And then you got this deal over here. So the whole thing comes apart. Next, we're gonna have to take out the grill shutters, and then we can get into the grill in there and replace that grill. All right, we got the grill in. So you have to install these letters. So they come on this little frame thing here. You screw them onto that, and then you install them there. You install your camera lens, and then you have this wiring harness that you'll clip onto the Raptor lights, and you thread that up behind the grill shutters. So we're gonna go throw this back on, and then we're gonna do some wiring. Got her put back together. Got the Pro grill in, light bar, and the Raptor lights, and then we got those on just for fun. But what I did was, I don't have a fuse jumper, so I just wired it up to these so I can turn them off, which obviously is how you'd want to do it for the light bar. But for right now, we can turn the Raptor lights off. I may do that later with the Raptor lights, but anyway, Andy's about done. He's about sick of, there's Easton. He's about sick of helping me. He said his didn't take 5 hours, so. Anyway, so, oh, we got some weather coming in. Look at that. Feel it too. It's freaking snowing up there. Anyway, so there's the Pro grill. Thanks to Lexland for sending it to us. We got her all hooked up, and we're gonna be doing some more videos, and these guys are probably gonna be in them too. So anyway, thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.